All right, YouTubers. What a beautiful day. I'm in southern Ontario, and the sun's shining. It's nice and warm. Beautiful June morning. No chance of rain today. There's going to be no rain, so that's how I thought maybe we should do that video. I can't believe I haven't done that yet. And if you grew up in the 90s and you don't know this song, I would like you to please unsubscribe from my page. Go crawl back under your rock and stay there for the rest of your life because everybody should know this song. And this is how we play it. I'm in standard tuning. And we're going to start with the little opening here that they have. And we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the 10th fret B string, okay? Index finger, you see, just one string. And then we're going to go up to the 12th. And then with your index finger going back to the 9th fret on the G string. Do it faster. A little bit faster. And when the song gets going, it's going to go like this. And what that is 9th fret B string, index finger. 10th fret we're starting on. We're going to pluck the B string with our two fingers both on the B string. Take your middle finger off. So sorry, it's hard for me to teach it, so I have to play it sometimes to get refamiliarized with it. So we're going to pull it off, pluck and pull it off. That's what you do. Okay. Do do do. Hit on, off, on. And then we're going to take our ring finger or baby finger, whatever you're comfortable with, to the 11th fret G string. Slide it down to the 9th, to the 7th, and then back to the 9th again. Start all over again. When you're ready to sing, come back down here, do like a little bar chord on the bottom of the strings. So we're blocking off the 9th fret. I just do the bottom 3 strings. Pluck it open there. Then 10th finger, use your middle finger, 10th fret E string. Then open. And then 10th fret again B string. And then your G string. And then we can come up, now it's time to learn the chords. And if you're playing, it's a bit dry in here, sorry. If you're playing alone, if you're busking, you're not going to be doing much of this. But if you have another guitar player, I mean, that's the part either you can play or he can play. But if you're alone and you're busking and you're playing, you want to do the chords, which starts in an E, to the D, singing. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like that. So I got a little mixed up there, but it goes to the E. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like watching the bottle gather rain. And all I can pour some tea for two and speak my point of view, but it's not fair. You can throw in though that G note if you want to get fancy. I like to do it, but you really don't have to. And oh shoot. No, we're not gonna do the leads, and that makes the videos way too long. I do have a Patreon page for that, and I don't even know if it's up and running. I never check it. I don't even know. Maybe I should see if there's people on there, but that's where I'm gonna put, like, when you sign up on my Patreon eventually, I'm gonna teach people leads. I'm gonna do one-on-one lessons. I'm just going to do a whole bunch of stuff on Patreon. But I'm going to leave for the beginner players, I leave the chords, I mean the solos out because it gets too complicated. So if you like, that's a quick version of No Rain. If you take it from there, you can run with it, make it your own. I always recommend playing with the music to get more comfortable with it. And thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. And take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys next time.